What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fidelis. If you would like to see how I got this beautiful sew-in with this deep wave hair from BGMgirl, please continue watching. So here first, before I did the sewing, I actually doubled my tracks up so that way my tracks will not be lumpy and humpy. So I put them underneath one another. If you understand what I'm saying, like don't put them on top of each other. You're gonna put them right beneath each other, so that way they're not too thick and lumpy and it lays flat on your head. So here's how the tracks look after I finish sewing them. Doubled, nice and beautiful, so they'll lay flat onto your head. This is the foundation that I use for my sewing. I left the perimeters of my hair out. I didn't show on camera, but I went back and I had made the back a little smaller because I realized it was too much hair that I had left out. So here I'm just showing you that I am braiding my hair down and what type of braiding formation that I use to get my nice flat sewing. It is not easy braiding your hair on the back. My hands were so cramped up and hurt, but I made it through. So this is how it looked when it was done. I had also fixed that back. I had my wife fix it for me because I realized it was leaning into my leave out. And this is how it looked once I had sewed in the first few tracks. And that is the final look. Thanks for watching.